You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally from Spanish, of course. If you want to learn how to pronounce more Spanish names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You want to learn from the Spanish pronunciation, also Mexican Spanish. Pablo, Pablo, Pablo. The B is pronounced like a B. Pablo, you stress on that first syllable. In English, it's normally pronounced as Pablo. It means Paul. Of course, that's Spanish for Paul. How do you say Paul? Saint Paul? San Pablo, Pablo, or English pronunciation, Pablo, from the Spanish pronunciation, Pablo. Can you hear the difference between Spanish and Italian? And Spanish and English, sorry. Let me know in the comments. Spanish and English, Pablo, Pablo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.